Study the following list of processes: melting, chemical change, sublimation, condensation, evaporation, dissolving. Which of the processes listed above describe what is taking place in the following? If you need distinction in science, subscribe. The formation of water droplets on the window pan on a cold day. So the answer is sublimation. So the vapor on a cold day is condensed into liquid. So the answer is sublimation. So the formation of liquid sodium chloride from solid sodium chloride due to strong heating. So the answer is melting, which is the change of state from solid to liquid. So the answer is melting. So sodium chloride was formed to liquid sodium chloride due to strong heating. So the answer is melting. The formation of iodine vapor from solid iodine on heating. So solid iodine was formed to iodine vapor. So vapor is in gas state. So the answer is sublimation. It was changed from solid to liquid, which is vapor. So the answer is sublimation. That is the answer. It is the change of state from solid to gas without passing through the liquid state. So it changed directly without forming a liquid. Adding sugar to hot tea and stirring it. So sugar dissolve in water. So the answer is dissolving. The sugar was dissolved in hot tea and stirring. So the answer is dissolving. Answer is dissolving. So the formation of calcium oxide when calcium is heated in the air. So the answer is chemical change. So chemical change is not easily reversible. For example, when you burn a paper, you cannot burn a paper that it turns into ashes. You cannot turn it back into paper. So same on calcium oxide and calcium. So calcium oxide cannot be separated by physical means unless chemical means. So B7, define the following terms: endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction. So endothermic reaction is the reaction where heat is absorbed from the surrounding, from the environment. Exothermic reaction is the reaction where heat is released to the surrounding, is released to the environment. So during endothermic reaction, temperature decreases when heat is absorbed from the surrounding. Temperature decreases. During exothermic reaction, when heat is released to the surrounding, temperature increases. So give an example of each types of reaction in nature. So they need example, a chemical reaction, example of endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction. The example of endothermic reaction is photosynthesis. So photosynthesis absorb light energy, which is heat energy from the environment. It's absorbed, so the reaction is endothermic or freezing. Then exothermic reaction, we have respiration. It releases heat to the surrounding. and also melting and the evaporation. So these are the examples of endothermic reaction and ectothermic reaction. Describe the effect of ectothermic reaction in industry on the environment. So ectothermic reaction like combustion, it releases it to the surrounding. So combustion releases carbon dioxide, which causes global warming, and global warming